Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to import a calendar to the Calendars application using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the application Calendar, which is built into the Mac computer. We also need to have a file that ends with .ics. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go all the way onto the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the Calendars application. Enter to open up the application. So now on the desktop, you do see work.ics. We will be looking to import this to the calendar. So if I now go to the taskbar, go to File, go to Import. And let's navigate to the desktop. There we have work.ics. Click on Import. And we are adding a new event. This calendar contains a new event. Please select a destination calendar. Let's just change this to a new calendar. And this will create a brand new calendar. Click on OK. And that has created a work calendar. If we wish to, we can change the color. Merge with home or get information. Let's just change this to imported. Change the color to blue. We can have a description. Let's click on OK. So that's now changed from what it was to imported. We have now imported a calendar. We can now quit calendar. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.